Hi, I'm Hamza and I'm doing a PhD in Plant and Environmental Science at NMSU. Soil care is a service that helps people improve their soil through soil testing, personalized recommendation, and a monthly subscription products delivered to your house. I decided to start the How to Start Your Side Hustle courses because I needed to transform my idea to a full business model with a good strategy to launch and grow my business. Through the course, I learned a lot, starting by making a vision and a roadmap for my business, how to find customers, how to make a pricing, how to have a growth strategy. Today I feel confident, and thanks to Jeff for his practical and inspiring coaching and for his personal training. I hope I can launch and grow soil care this year. I want to add a big shout out to the Hand Center for sponsoring this program, and a big thanks to Mike who funded this program and make it available for all students at NMSU.